What's up, y'all? This is MrSKSkill. I want to first off say thank you so much for all the cares and concerns on the most recent tropical storm to hit my area, Louisiana, Tropical Storm Lee. I think it's safe to say we didn't have any deaths from it. Thank God. No levees were broke. Well, this is going to be the Mosin Nagant unboxing. I'm speaking really close to the camera because the microphone on this camera is very directional, so whenever I step away you probably won't be able to hear me too much. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox some Mosin Nagants that I got from Cabela's for $99 a piece, and it comes with accessories. Alright, here we go. You really can't beat most of them. I mean, they're cheap, reliable, and they're fun. Definitely a great rifle. If y'all can see that. Alright. And I have not seen these rifles yet, so it's yeah, both of ours. First time. Oh wow, okay. See if we can see it still. Hey, y'all bear with me on the camera angle. I don't have anybody else to help me film. But yeah, Mosin Nagant 9130. You got the bolt way up in there. Just shake it out. Ow, that's the bayonet. Covered in cosmoline. You can expect that. Alright. Step y'all in a little bit closer. See here. Alright, well, this is what your Mosin Nagant's gonna look like when you get it from Cabela's. Usually they're all wrapped in bubble wrap. This is my, well, I have multiple. So yeah, about to unwrap it and see what we got. Really exciting. They don't let you look at it before you buy it. That's the big thing. Everybody would want to look at them. Comes with these little carrying cases. You can put ammo in them. Usually what comes in them are cleaning kit. Actually, I got it right here. If the camera can see it. Okay. Comes in them. These are a bunch of them over here. Cleaning, well, oil can. They vary per year and model. You've got a little tool right here to disassemble, and these little notches are to measure your firearm pin protrusion. Make sure it's not protruding through the primer. Alright, let's see if this one came with it. This is one carrying case with nothing in it. And, okay, it's got all the goodies. Yep, came with all the little crappy rods and whatnot. And the oil can, right on. Thank you, people who package Mosin Nagant. Alright. Also comes with this little package right here, which is, I'm assuming, they keep maybe a stripper clip in there with some rounds. I truly do not know. Comes with your basic green sling. I mean, for $99, this is a great value. And not to mention the history that comes with it. I mean, this is, it could be a rifle that actually served in World War II. Try and get a close up on this bolt right here. Get all that cosmoline on it. And they're in great condition. Yeah, look at all that cosmoline. Greasy. Lines up. And most of the Nagants are full of markings, so I'll be able to, you know, go back and look at all of them. There's a ton of them. I only know the basics of the origin. Bayonet, covered in cosmoline. Hopefully all the numbers match with the bayonet, and it also works as a pretty good flathead screwdriver. Alright, now to the rifle. Mosin Nagant 9130. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, cool, y'all can see it. Right on. Oh, this wood is amazing. Take a little safety thing out. Alright. Looks like we're gonna go ahead and have a Izzy. Not made in Tula Arsenal, it's made in Izmash. So far all of them that I have are made in Izmash. I don't think I have a Tula yet. Wow. Look at that. $99. That is beautiful. Well, appreciation time here. Look at that dark wood right there. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to hurry, but just kind of awed by it. All right. The normal person who imports them. PW Arms out of Redmond, Washington. Excuse me. M9130 7.62 by 54R. And down to markings. I knew it was gonna be getting low light, so I brought a Surefire. Well, y'all can't see it, but wow, awesome. It is a 1936, and it has the triangle with the arrow, so it's Izzy, and above it there's a triangle with 25 serial number, year, and the Soviet crest, and I believe H with a circle. There's a little weird pi or R symbol with the circle. I think it's black powder tested. An O with a circle. No, there it is right there. The K with a circle, so it's been the sights have been aligned. All right, I'm gonna set it down and wow, look at that. I don't think this one's been refurbished. Look at that symbol. I love the Mosin Nagants mainly because it's like, you don't know what you're gonna get. It's like a Cracker Jack box, but with a gun in it. It's a badass little symbol. I forgot what that means. It says it's a circle with C, 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 and I can't tell the well, it's a hammer and sickle. Very nice. All right, set her down. I'm actually going to use some of these, utilize them. You got metal bolts on the table. I don't want them to get scratched. Ooh yeah, let's go ahead and put her together. Mosin Nagant, just slide the bolt. There you go. Step on this side. 9130. It's beautiful. Alright. See if the decocking mechanism works. Pull the trigger. Yep. Right on. Multiple bayonets. Let's see if the serial number matches. 63612. 63612. Very nice. One down, one to go. Kind of speed this up. Moving light here. Left my knife in my truck. 7.62 by 54 R knife will work just fine. Alright, see what the camera angle's looking like. Back out a little bit. Alright, cool. Y'all are still with me? Right on. Alright, back to the $99 rifle. I paid $89 for my first one. With tax, $97.30. Oh, you can't beat that. Buying a rifle for under $100. And the thing that gets me is the history. You can't beat the history. It's like a history lesson in a box, but with a gun. See, this one is how I'm used to getting them. Came with a little cleaning kit. I'm used to getting them with the bolt and the bayonet taped to the rifle itself and bubble wrap. Alright, second cleaning kit. A darker leather, very nice. Got a sling in here still. Yep. Your sling in your pouch. Accessories always welcome. Alright. See what we got going on with the view. Alright, wow, 12 minutes, very nice. Spending a lot of time talking and awed at the amazement of the rifle. Alright, cool. Sorry about this, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I will have a cameraman next time. I just got off of a 12-hour shift and camera person list. Of course, bayonet. I love it when it has the red engraving. Pick up a little safety pin with the barrel. Take the bolt out. Alright. Ooh, very nice. Another dark wood. I'm liking these dark woods. History lesson in a box. Can't beat it. I wonder how many Nazis it killed. I know that other one definitely killed some. 1936. I don't know, the wood looks really nice if they remanufactured it though. Possibility. Damn me and no knife. But I don't know if y'all can hear me right now because the sound quality is pretty poor. But yeah, I mean, if you want a reliable rifle, see, I'm a military surplus guy when it comes down to rifles. SKSs, AKs, M16, AR, everything. I trust military products. I am one myself. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, set her down. Get these markings really quick. Of course, it is the Izmash. Red lettering, 1939, the crest. It's been black powder tested. Got your Cosmoline like crazy, but I don't care, that keeps it good. And on the barrel bands, I see the little marking for the Izzy triangle with the arrow. These are beautiful firearms. $99, come on. See if we can look down the side of one. Kinda. Eventually I will put a scope on one of them. I'll show you which one in a second. None of these, the wood's way too nice and I'm not gonna mess it up. Alright. Go ahead and put the bolt in. Matching numbers. So, those are weird markings before the numbers. Yep. It is all matching. Nice and greasy cosmoline. Very smooth. See if it decocks. Yep. Safety. Yep. Recocks. Yep. Alright. Use some more of these little cleaning kits. This rifle on. Let me show you also what these can be used for. This is what I use. This is mine for my original Mosin Nagant, my first one. I keep stripper clips in there. Fit 3 in each. Stagger them. So this is that that's that cheap mil surplus ammo from the 70s or earlier. This is actually the Russian. They have Romanian as well. I think I got it off of AIM surplus or cheaper than dirt. Alright. Little pouch. See if the bayonet matches. I believe so. Same serial number. Clean up the table. Just show you the ammo really quick. I actually got a can opener with mine. Good luck getting that can open without one. I mean, it's possible, but my buddy asked, how do I get it open? I've got an angle grinder, and I asked him, what do you order? What's inside of it? Don't open it up with an angle grinder. It's a terrible idea. Alright, right on. So, we're at the stage of showing you what's next. This is my collection so far. This is my original. I will put it over here on the table. 9130. This one does not have cosmoline on it. It's beautiful as well. I fired this one a bunch, as well as cleaned it with a bunch of Windex, but I also cleaned it with some gun scrubber, I believe birchwood Cassie, and had it on my fingers. And when I was putting it back together, as you can see, my finger marks right here. So yeah, sucks. This is the one that I'll be putting the Monte Carlo stock on. As you see, there's no round. Alright. I noticed the darker stocks immediately because I have one that's so light. At least it's darker than I like it there. Alright. This is another one from Cabela cell. Oh yeah, this one, I believe it's from 1942. Yep, 1942 Izzy. This one, 1939. This one actually has great print out of the majority of mine. There we go, got it in focus. And I love the 1,000, well actually 2,000 meters. That's so possible. This one still has cosmoline. So many Mosins. Like I said, I got them for 89. Now they're 99. What does that tell you? Guns are going up in price, like you know. Go buy lots of guns. Alright. This is a newer addition to the family. This one's got a story behind it. This is a Mosin Nagant M44 carbine right here in the front. Bought it from Cabela's, not on sale. I was in love with it immediately. Had to have it. It's a Hungarian, it's not a Russian. I like to collect Russian stuff. No problem though. It's actually worth more being Hungarian. It's not a Mosin Nagant M44. Well, it's not a Mosin Nagant 9130 cut down to be a carbine. It's an actual carbine. And made in Hungary. I'll show you the markings real quick. Yeah, just put a cheap sling on it. I think about Duracoat in this one. This one's 1953. Up here on the barrel though, y'all probably won't be able to read it, but it says made in Hungary. M44 Hungary, 7.62 by 54R. I mean this one's seen some action. It's in great condition, but actually, long story short, it fell 3 stories. Like the first week I got it, fell 3 stories onto the hood of somebody's car. And I had to pay them money for their hood. So it ended up costing me more than what I had paid for the rifle itself to fix their hood. But that's life. So it rains guns where I'm from. Actually no, it was actually the apartment's fault. Long story. Okay, anyway. This is a Mosin Nagant butt pad I ordered off of, I believe, Amazon. For the M44 carbine, you can put it on this one as well. Oh yeah, notice the Hungarian marks, the circle B and the O2. The O2 is stamped everywhere, and also the 8 in the circle. O2, O2. Let's see here, now I got a camera in my hand. Well, I mean, you just really can't beat it. These are beautiful rifles. $99. This one was $200, but I ended up paying $169. These 4 Mosin Nagant 9130s are all Cabela's cell rifles. I suggest you go get them while you can. Believe me, they'll always be around. And they made 37 million. 37 million. Tons of countries made them. Just like the AK-47 at that point in time. It was the bee's knees. It worked. It was reliable. Cheaply produced. Probably by small children in sweatshops. Basically a lot of child's tears went into this Mosin Nagant collection I've got going on. But yep, this is the corrosive ammo you can buy. Just spray some Windex down the bore and all up in the barrel and get that ammonia up in there. It looks inside the spam can, very sharp by the way. Got a bunch of packs of 20. And this is the herders. 7.62 by 5.4R, $9.99 a pack. Show you these a little bit closer up. Oil can, cleaning rod apparently, or attachments for the end of the cleaning rod. You can I guess put a patch on it. You just have markings on them as well, but yep, basically Mosin Nagant time. If you don't know, the rounds drop out from the bottom of the magazine, and yep, these are easy to break down. Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and put the camera back up on the tripod, and I gotta cut this video out, it's getting too long. Sure y'all are bored by now of seeing Mosin Nagants, unless you're a Mosin Nagant fan like myself. The thing that excites me, like I said, is the history behind them. I mean, they're fun. You can go out there and shoot, but with the bolt action rifle, it gets kind of old pretty quick, unless you got a lot of like Coke cans and bottles, which I try and save. But yeah, the history, the markings, the journey these rifles have been in throughout their history. They've probably killed people. Hopefully not. Hope they're not haunted, but sights on this one are a little bit smaller. But yeah, just want to show you the side folding bayonet. Whole theory behind it, that when they made them, they spring-loaded, pull down, slide out, and it goes around the barrel. Oh, that wasn't a camera view. Show that again. Clicks around the barrel, and it's locked in place. It's not going anywhere. Just get all up in there. It's like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a lot harder, a lot more tricky to do it with the 9130. This is the original one I have, and this is the original bayonet. Alright, see if I can show you all this without scratching any of the other Mosins. This is the bayonet, slides over the barrel. Here we go, hang on. Alright, better angle. Alright, yeah. Barrel, bayonet. They're really snug. The Russians didn't mean for them to come off the rifle whenever they intended on them to be used. So I actually stuck it on the rifle in the parking lot of Cabela's and couldn't fit it in my truck, so we had to pull it apart in the parking lot. It probably looked really weird, one person grabbing a bayonet and one person grabbing a rifle. Alright, anyway, so it slides on like so, and it's covering the front side up. Push down, and on this side there is a little notch or indentation for the front sight post to well, you just slide it around the front sight post. You press in on the bayonet and just slide it, and then it locks in place on the end of the rifle, and it's going to look a lot longer. Of course, if you have not seen one, it's going to be off to the side, possibly throw your accuracy off, but I mean, come on, can't beat it. Like I said, history. Just imagine yourself, $99. You're like, yeah. Alright, well, MrSKSkill, and I'm signing out. Mosin Nagant, $99.